All right, in this video, we're going to be walking through the finance module, and this is where you can enter, edit, and view journal entries. But more importantly, it is also where we can pull our financial statements. And so that is what we are going to review here. So first off, we're going to come on down and select finance. And then from there, under financial statements, it is a list of the financial statements that we have for our properties. So the first one we're going to run here in this example is going to be our hotel income statement. And as we do that, I want to make sure that you're at the right branch that you want to select, and then the financial period. This is a historical activity we're actually going to be doing for February 2022, just in this example, but you can select whichever financial period that you need. From there, we're then going to select Run Report. At this point in time, it's going to start generating that report for you to run. And notice all of the activity here in blue. Any item in blue can be selected, and it's then going to pull up in a separate tab here. As you can see, the general ledger details for that particular account that was selected. I'm going to go back to our hotel income statement now, and you can export this in Excel and in PDF for your properties. Now, the next report that we're going to look at is we're going to go back to finance, and we're going to select the trailing 12. And in the trailing 12 here, you can, again, we're going to select the activity in the financial period that we're wanting, making sure that we have the correct company or branch that we're running it from, and then we can select Run Report. And that is going to generate the activity for that as well. And feel free to select any details that you may need in the blue highlighted activity with that. Another great report that is very helpful is going to be the transactions for period on there. And with that transactions for period, think of it like your GL activity. So we're going to select transactions for period. And what we're going to do here is we're going to create a template, and we're going to select no balance sheet accounts to have that information, because there are specific filters and features for this. And so those have been pre-set up. If there is, like this one has balance sheet accounts only, and then transactions by period income, each of these has specific setups and filters pre-set up. If there is something else that you might need, please reach out to your Hotel Solutions staff accountant so we can review on what that might look like for you and your hotel. But all you need to worry about is selecting the no balance sheet accounts, and then what period you are currently working in with that. And from there, we then select Run Report, and this will then pull out that activity, that GL activity that we were discussing just a minute ago for your property. It does take a little bit to pull here, but it will provide you a detailed list of that activity. Here it is here, and it is, in this case, we have it pulled for all of the properties within this tenant site with us. But you can always, when you are exporting your report and setting it up, you can select which properties you do want to see this activity pulled for. And if you did want to see how to do that for one property, all we would need to do is just select one particular branch down here and just make sure that we are here. So that way, now when we ran this report, it is just going to show that one individual property for you with that. And finally, if you wanted to watch how to run the balance sheet here, we're going to select finance. So we're just going to select a balance sheet. We are going to have our start branch. Make sure that your financial period is the one that you're pulling it from, and then Run Report, and it will pull in that activity for you here. And just a reminder, you can export in Excel, PDF, or if you need to search for any activity, it is found here for you. Hope you found this video helpful, and have a great day.